The best way for fresh doctors to enter the insurance industry is to acquire a diploma in life insurance underwriting. This diploma is offered by the Insurance Institute of India, and it's a international diploma. And thereafter, one could proceed further and acquire an advanced diploma, which is also an international diploma, international qualification. So this is the best entry point to get formally into the insurance industry. What does it take to acquire a diploma in life insurance underwriting? So the structure is as below. First is the candidate needs to acquire a licentiate in insurance from the Insurance Institute of India. The licentiate can be acquired by passing three papers. So that is the stage one. Next, the candidate needs to study and pass three more specialized papers, which will entitle them to acquiring a diploma in life insurance underwriting. And thereafter, third stage, one can move to an advanced diploma in life insurance underwriting, which will take another three specialized papers. Um, if you see the graphic on the right side, that's a sample of uh, the diploma in life insurance underwriting acquired by one of the candidates from the Insurance Institute of India. The life insurance underwriting, advanced life insurance underwriting, will provide a diploma and advanced diploma, but there is another parallel track also which doctors could consider, which is becoming a full-fledged professional in insurance. Now, how can one become a full-fledged professional? After the licentiate, one can move towards acquiring an associate award. Okay, the associate qualification comes once the candidate passes suitable papers, which will give total of additional 190 credits. The licentiate provided 60 credits by passing three papers. Now additional 190 credits will be required, and one can become a associate in the insurance profession. And the next stage is to aim to get a fellow qualification. The fellowship will be awarded once the candidate acquires an additional 240 credit points. Um, and Insurance Institute of India has got a special relationship with the world number one chartered insurance institute. So once you pass a fellowship from the Insurance Institute of India, the candidate will be getting substantial credits, exemptions from the Chartered Insurance Institute in London, and one can acquire the international fellowship by taking few additional papers from the Chartered Insurance Institute. So it is really worth it and very valuable to acquire associateship and fellowship qualification from Insurance Institute of India. Now let us look at an overview of the papers required to acquire the diploma and the advanced diploma. The licentiate, two papers are compulsory. They are given on the screen. Left hand side is one on the principles of insurance. Uh, it gives you the overview of the insurance as a product, as well as the various processes and functions involved in the insurance industry. And then right hand side, the second paper is uh, deep dive into the practice of life insurance. So different kinds of life insurance products. Then there's something called annuities, group insurance, a unit link life insurance called ULIPs. These are all covered under the second paper. to acquire the licentiate, the third paper could be an elective paper. So it is recommended that candidates may choose, the IC 27, which is on health insurance. So in this paper, there will be a detailed overview of health insurance products, how they are underwritten, how the policy is issued, how are the claims settled, what is the role of fraud in health insurance, and also the role of reinsurance. For your understanding, reinsurance is the insurance companies in India will try to um, cover the risk in the global market. So the insurance company will pick up the risk from the customer and transfer it back to back to global reinsurance companies. That's called reinsurance. So these are covered under the third paper. By completing the earlier three papers, one would have acquired the licentiate. Then it's time to go into the diploma in life insurance underwriting, where there are three papers, and the first paper is life insurance underwriting. Now, this life insurance underwriting, as we spoke in one of the videos earlier, it is trying to understand exactly what is the risk, measuring the risk, okay, from a health perspective. So this can be done best by doctors who have deep knowledge of anatomy, physiology, and the entire medical body of knowledge. So as this chart shows, it covers various disorders and like blood disorders, nervous system, diabetes, thyroid, um, urinary system, gastrointestinal issues. So it covers the entire 360 degree of health. And this paper is actually meant for doctors, because non-medical graduates will find it very difficult to study and pass this paper. So this is meant for doctors. The fifth paper is the legal and regulatory aspects of life insurance underwriting. See, insurance is finally a legal contract, and it's a very complex legal contract. So the insurance professionals, including doctors, need to know about the legal design of the contract, the tax laws that are covering it, the legal status of individuals and its relationship to life insurance, how IRDA, the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, how they regulate the whole industry. Then there are regulations for code of conduct by all the players in the insurance industry. That is, insurers, brokers, claim settlement people. All these people need to adhere to certain professional code of conducts. So those are also covered in this. An important focus of the regulator and the government is protection of in the interest of the customer. Here it's called policyholder. Then insurance is prone to lot of disputes, and because of it's a very complex product, so misunderstanding, misselling will happen. So these dispute resolution, how it's handled, it be handled through the consumer court, through arbitration, mediation, and finally it can go through the courts. Then with regard to public sector government organizations, the Right to Information Act also applies. So like that, the various legal aspects governing life insurance are covered in paper number 5. And paper number 6, this is complete, detailed uh, paper on medical underwriting. We saw in the earlier paper there was an overview. Here there's a detailed guidebook on handling each of the medical conditions. If you see the diabetes, cancer, coronary artery disease, how is the underwriting of alcohol and substance abuse happens, and it goes into every aspect, every layer of the health system. If you see the tissues and membrane, endocrine system, the heart, digestive system, urinary system, like that, it covers the entire area. And again, I reiterate, doctors have got a huge advantage over other professionals, and uh, it will be a cakewalk for doctors. So these six papers will enable the medical professional to acquire a diploma in life insurance underwriting. Once the medical doctor decides to go to the next level and acquire a advanced diploma, the spread could be almost the same, but the depth will be higher. So on the face of it, the subjects may be similar. I mean, the topics may be similar, but it's going to have a higher depth into the whole thing. So the first paper, intermediate medical life insurance underwriting. So, as the paper name tells, this is the earlier one is at a fundamental level. This paper is at the intermediate level. So, taking it to the next level. And the right hand side is advanced life insurance underwriting. And if you see there, it is taking a look at many rare diseases what is it, multiple sclerosis, inflammatory bowel disease, uh, childhood cancers, leukemia, lymphomas, neurological diseases, congenital heart disease. So these are rheumatic arthritis. These are all more specialized disease conditions. How to handle them in insurance is taught in these papers. So thereby the doctor professional will be completing the seventh and the eighth paper. And the last paper, this is on intermediate non-medical life insurance underwriting. Non-medical life insurance underwriting, this covers all the non-medical aspects. See, somebody may be healthy, the doctor is comfortable with the health condition, and they are approving it, but that doesn't mean the policy should be accepted, or the proposal should be accepted. Maybe because maybe the person is a very poor person, he may have a very low income, but he may be asking for a proposal or a policy of a very very huge, 10-20 million dollars kind of a value. Then there's a mismatch between the product that he's purchasing and his income background. So the issues like these are covered under the non-medical life insurance. And apart from that, there are many other aspects which are all covered under the ninth paper. And so once the medical professional completes the additional three papers, they will be awarded the advanced life insurance underwriting diploma. Both these diplomas, as he told earlier, are globally recognized. Those are international degrees, and it will resonate in a big way in the Middle East. Thank you. So we welcome all of you to look at these career options. India's journey towards achieving a GDP target of $10 trillion by the year 2030 hinges in a big way on achieving universal health coverage. And for that purpose, the health insurance will be an important fulcrum. So, in this regard, we invite your support and collaboration to take this journey forward. Thank you.